where we are showcasing how India is building the next generation of energy and mobility, right here at home. Today, Ola Electric is taking a significant step forward by expanding our in-house energy platform, the 4680 Bharat Cell, beyond just vehicles into a far bigger opportunity. Because now it's not only about powering a vehicle, it's about powering innovation at scale. And at the heart of it is one vision. One cell, one platform, one portfolio.
And this is the one which will power the future of energy and mobility.
So what you see here is the 4680 cell. It actually represents a new era of lithium-ion cells in India. Why I say? Because this is completely engineered, even conceptualized, engineered and developed here in India, and manufactured here in India. Now, in terms of performance, the cell, since we know what is required for Indian conditions, we have engineered in such a way that it can give almost 1.5 times of charging capability. That means
Introduction price. Then for 9.1 kilowatt hour, there's another price. This we are launching at 2,49,999. What will be the introductory price for next 2 days? You can go and basically make a full payment for that. Offer price for 5.2 kilowatt, we will be doing 1,29,999.
Energy is needed in many areas. One of the important areas for us is mobility. We need energy sources in our mobility platforms. I'm going to talk about the S1 Pro Plus. It's the most advanced scooter. It's got amazing performance. It's got a 13 kilowatt motor. It's got the highest powertrain efficiency. It's got amazing features with MOS 5. It's got cruise control, hill hold, a slew of safety features. It is the longest range scooter. It has highest energy to weight ratio in the battery pack. Every energy that's lost in braking is recovered by amazing regen. And it's the most popular premium scooter in India, and it's sold more than 1 million scooters since it's been launched. Why am I talking about the S1 Pro Plus today? Because its energy source is this amazing 4680 cell. Rajesh already spoke about it. Great energy density. It's got highest cycle life. It's got best safety features. It's an amazing energy source, and that powers our S1 Pro Plus. And 320 kilometers range. So, you know, scooters are urban phenomenons, they are short-range vehicles, but 320 kilometers. So that's what you get with the S1 Pro Plus, which is has the energy source of the 4680. We have started delivering the S1 Pro Plus in Karnataka for the past 1.5 months, and we've been getting, customers are extremely happy with the product. What is special about it today? We are delivering it across 16 centers, pan-India. We are starting delivery of the S1 Pro Plus with the 4680 cells. But that's not all.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are our esteemed customers who will walk away today. They will be going home with.
Vehicles are much preferred way of mobility than scooters. Why? Because motorcycles are not just an urban phenomenon. You have them in rural areas, urban areas. They go long distance. They go over rough terrain. They have multiple use cases, load carrying use cases. So this motorcycle, Roadster X Plus, is designed for all these use cases for India, and it's built in India in our Kutupalli future factory. Why am I talking about the Roadster X Plus today? Because it's powered by our 4680 Bharat cells. And what's so special about it? 500 kilometers. Let me take a pause here. Let it sink in. 500 kilometers. That's the certified range. Now, any last barrier that we had with ICE motorcycles is gone. You no longer need the range that you need to buy a petrol motorcycle because you need the range. No, here we have a motorcycle that breaks this barrier, erases this barrier, 500 kilometers. Beyond that, electric motorcycles are a better proposition, you would agree. It's got better performance, it's got